So all this saga does not help. It does not help a nation. And when you watch all these people doing this saga, they are all Igbo tribes. Why are you doing saga? Trying to defame your fellow Igbo content creator just to get view and get paid. That is among the problems Igbo content creators are having. That is why most of them are not having any progress in their life. Hello fans, how are they? Today, I want to give you few reasons why Igbo content creators are not progressing like other content creators from other states or other tribes. Before I start, some people will be asking, who is this guy? When did you started Facebook? Or when did you join Facebook? For your information, go to my transparency page of my profile. I joined Facebook 2009. Then come to Don Cardinal Media. The page was created 2015. That is to tell you that everything that has been happening on Facebook, I have the records. So don't come here and start saying, what do I know? I know many things more than you. When I joined Facebook, most of you guys are still in secondary school. Or primary school, if I'm not mistaken. One reason why most Igbo content creators are not progressing, listen and listen attentively. Igbo content creators are the most confused set of content creators. Why? They are digging hole where there is nothing. They keep attacking men of God, especially Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anozie, a man that carry grace, a man that has been helping our Igbo people in Lagos, the man that gives people shelter, the man that treats people medically in his hospital without charging any kobo. The man of God, the only man of God in Nigeria that gives prophecy with instant solution. They play, they show. Instead of content creators in Igbo Land to embrace this man of God and at least talk good about him, anything you say good about, you embrace that spiritually. But instead of that, every day they keep castigating him, they keep defaming him, they keep saying all sorts of things to bring this man of God down. Mind you, God is fighting his battles, both physically and spiritually. So this is one of the reasons why Igbo content creators are not progressing. They keep attacking men of God. If they bring out this man of God, they will say. If they bring out this one, they will defame. If they bring out this person, they will defame. That is why they are not progressing. Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anozie is a pillar to beckon on when it comes to spiritual warfare. And we all know that the spiritual controls the physical. If you keep attacking this man of God that didn't do anything against you, he didn't take your land, he didn't take your sister, he didn't take your wife, he didn't take your money, but every day you keep saying bad about him, defaming him, trying to pull him down. Why won't God pull you down? So the earlier Igbo content creators desist from defaming men of God, especially the man of this particular man of God. I mentioned his name. When you guys stop defaming him, that is when you start experiencing progress. Number two, Igbo content creators are good in sagaring themselves. What do I mean? You bring out your fellow content creator that didn't eat your egg, that didn't do anything against you. You bring him out and start making caricature of him. If traditional Wokede, Dadu Dudenka, did not attack J-Pack, J-Pack will attack him. If Ken, Palace of Justice, did not attack this native doctor, man pass man, he will attack Akwa Okoko. If he didn't attack Akwa Okoko, he will attack Akosayon. Then Onyobodo, we already know Naimbi Saga chairman. If he did not attack Ifande Chukwe Bukano, he will attack Zeus. If he didn't attack Zeus, he will attack Ezege. So will this bring growth? It will not. If Amachisom did not attack J-Pack, J-Pack will attack this other Lillian Abi, this is the one of a girl. So all this saga does not help. It does not help a nation. And when you watch all these people doing this saga, they are all Igbo tribes. Why are you doing saga? Trying to defame your fellow Igbo content creator just to get view and get paid. That is among the problems Igbo content creators are having. That is why most of them are not having any progress in their life. You guys will say, am I having progress? Me, I know I'm not a content creator. I use my page to say whatever I want to say and whatever there is need to say. Yes, purposefully, I use my page for Zion ministry, and my page is not monetized. So I'm not doing anything I'm doing on social media for monetary gain of it. I use it to say things the way it is. So when you guys start sagaring each other, you have sold your birthright to other tribes. Nothing good will come out. When you start saying ill and negative things about your fellow Igbo content creator, how will somebody sign him as an ambassador? So these are the problems we are having. Then third, Igbo content creators lacks content. Check the most popular content creators from the Yoruba land. They keep on excelling. They do their content, they get their view, they are progressing. Take Oga Sabinus, for example. Oga Sabinus is excelling. Check Kut Abiola. That one is excelling. Check Tunde Ednot. Check the likes of these other people. I can't remember their name now. You see them buying new house. Okay, look at OGB of recent that have not even done content up to 5 years. But OGB bought a house in Lekki, driving a good house. Look at Brain Jota. Many of them are doing well. Now ask yourself, how many times have you seen these guys doing saga among them? Let's take, for example, the Yoruba part. How many of them have you seen doing saga? Meaning that they have not even finished doing their content, talk less of coming to saga. So most Igbo content creators doesn't have any content. They chook mouth where they are not supposed to chook mouth. That is it. What did I say? Number one, Igbo content creators keep attacking men of God, especially Evangelist Chukwuebuka Anozie. Number two, they keep sagaring themselves. They keep sagaring each other. How will you experience growth when you are fighting among yourself? Number three, they lack content. Now look at the few of them that have achieved things. You find out that they are doing well. They don't even have anything to do with saga. They are doing their content. There's one guy I so much like. This Ezege. That guy is a very, very quiet guy. I follow him. I'm one of his followers. He does his things. See Anyidon. Anyidon is a musician, stroke content creator. He does his things. He doesn't choke mouth in things that doesn't concern him. Rather, he can come out and advise people. Okay, look at Brother Mike. Brother Mike is not an Igbo. He's a Delta, I think. Brother Mike is doing well. Brother Mike has a content and doing things rightly. That's why he's progressing. Now, check all day. I'm not going to mention names of Igbo content creators that are not doing well. But we know them. Some of them claim that now they start this content creation. Now, what is your achievement after you started content creation? So, what am I saying in fact? The earlier Igbo content creators face their front and know what they are doing, the better for them. I know I'm a nobody in social media, but I have been in social media and I know everything happening in social media. So the earlier Igbo content creators start doing well, start taking their content serious, I think there will be a change among them, and they'll start progressing. I think a word is enough for the wise. This is my observation, and I pray and I believe they will turn to a new leaf. So when you get this video, share it, let it go viral, so that they can see and turn to a new leaf. Atụọrọ ọmara, atụọrọ ofeke, ofebi isi n'ọhịa. Ka emesịa nụ.